Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 7? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to do our words, meanings, sentences and question answer for lesson number 1 of unit 5. The title of this lesson was We Will Remain at Peace with Your People Forever. So you will have a couple of exercises on page number 203 and 207 of your English literature book. Today you are going to learn the meanings of words and how to use the words in sentences. Moreover, the comprehension task will also be carried out. The first question which you will have on page number 207, I am going to read out the statement of the question. What happened to Kochi's people after the white man came to their land? What happened to Kochi's people after the white man came to their land? And here's your answer. Many people died due to conflicts between the white settlers and the Native Americans. Many people died due to conflicts between the white settlers and the Native Americans. Question number 2 on page number 207. What does Cochise promise to the white people in return for part of the land for his people? And here is your answer. Cochise promises to the white people that he and his tribe will remain at peace. Cochise promises to the white people that he and his tribe will remain at peace. Now we are going to do our words, meanings and sentences on page number 203. The first word is feeble. Feeble means someone who is physically weak. Now write the sentence here. We took the feeble kitten to veterinarian for its medical treatment. Here you can see a kitten. Kitten is not looking very healthy, rather it is very feeble or weak. Okay, so feeble means a person or an animal or a thing that is physically very weak. Number 2 word is perish. Perish means to die. Perish means to die. Now write a sentence. Whenever there is a war, scores of people perish. Whenever there is a war, scores of people perish. My dear students, I am showing you a picture of a war scene. You know that wars always bring destruction and extreme devastation to the humanity. A lot of people who are involved in the wars get perished ultimately. Okay, so perish means to die. Number 3 word is conquered. Here the word conquered is being used as an adjective and its meaning is here defeated. Means a person or any group or an army that has been defeated or beaten in the battlefield. Now here write a sentence. The conquered knights bowed to the new king. The conquered knights bowed to the new king. Here I am showing you the picture of an army leader. After losing the battle, when he knows that he is no longer able to continue the war, he is now submissive to the new king. He is bowing his head in respect to the new king. Now he is a conquered knight, K-N-I-G-H, knight, or an army leader. Now he will do whatever the new king will ask him to do. He is now submissive, means he is bowing his head in respect to the new king. Number 4 word is vanish, means to disappear. Now here use your sentence. The fog will vanish when the sun comes out. The fog will vanish when the sun comes out. My dear students, sometimes during the winter season, early in the morning time, you will have seen this kind of hazy morning, hazy weather condition. This is called fog, a misty look you will see. Okay, so whenever there is a fog, you know, visibility is not very good for the motorists and for all the people who are on the roads. Okay, so when the sun will rise, when the temperature will increase by 11 o'clock or by 12, the fog will automatically vanish. Vanish means to disappear. Now the last word is remnant. Remnant means something that is left over. Something that is left over is the meaning for the word remnant, and here is the sentence. It doesn't look good when someone leaves remnant food in the plate. It doesn't look good when someone leaves remnant food in the plate. Yes, whenever you are going to eat anything, so you must put the same quantity of food in the plate that you can eat. If you are leaving the remnant food in the plate and leaving the dining table and going back, so it doesn't look very good. It is against the manners. So you must clean the plate. You must finish all the things whatever was supposed to be eaten by you. Okay, so the word is remnant, means something that is left over. My dear students, so far we have done our words, meanings and sentences for lesson number 1 of unit 5. We also did the comprehension activity. So as a homework, you will learn the words, meanings, also frame new sentences about these 5 vocabulary words by using your own creativity. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.